Hello, this is what we did on Friday. I'm sorry the video is a little late. Um, Remember that on Monday we did present simple. I eat pizza, I don't eat pizza, do I eat pizza? Or for example, she eats pizza, she doesn't eat pizza, does she eat pizza? And then we did present continuous. I am eating pizza, I'm not eating pizza, am I eating pizza, etc. And remember that here the verbs are habits or routines and they go with every day and also always, never, sometimes, usually, yeah? And here things happening now. Yeah? So this is the same but in the past. Això és el mateix que això, però en el passat. Què passa? Que tenim I ate pizza every day. El verb en passat. Aquest és irregular. Els verbs regulars acaben en BD. I played football yesterday. Negatiu, I didn't play football yesterday. I pregunta, did I play football yesterday? En el passat simple no posam ni esses ni res. L'únic problema que tenim és que el verb només està en passat en els afirmatius i que tenim molt de verbs irregulars. Aquí teniu una llista llarga de verbs irregulars, d'acord? N'hi ha molts més. Per past simple ens interessa aquesta és present, aquesta columna i aquesta, d'acord? No sabreu quins són els passats simple i quins no, quins són irregulars, perdó, i quins no, fàcilment. Això s'ha d'aprendre de memòria, però bé, ara no vos faré aprendre de memòria, però aneu mirant aquests verbs, d'acord? Per tant, I played piano, I didn't play piano, did I play piano? I, per exemple, I ate, que és de eat, d'acord? Eat, I ate pizza, I didn't eat pizza, did I eat pizza? El passat només el posam a la primera en afirmatiu, d'acord? I quan la frase va amb when, quan hi ha un when, el verb següent, diguéssim, sol anar en past simple, d'acord? I són coses que ja han passat en el passat. Aquest, el pas continu, són coses que estaven passant. I was eating, com això, però en passat. I was eating. Negatiu, I wasn't eating. Pregunta, was I eating? Was va amb I, he, she, it. I were, you were eating. Were va amb you, we i they. You were eating, you weren't eating, were you eating. D'acord? Aquest verb, were, és el verb to be, I am, you are, etc. en passat. I els únics despassats, diguéssim, bueno, aquests dos, n'hi ha dos. Són dos únics despassats que en negatiu i en pregunta que no són did I or didn't, són I wasn't, I weren't i was I, were you. I un altre així és es could, que aquí no me surt. És can, d'acord? Can and could. D'acord? I quan tenim aquestes, solen anar després de quan tenim un while a la frase, que no sé si n'hi ha qualcun aquí, però n'hi sol haver. When, després de when ve past simple. I aquí no en tenim cap, crec, de while, però si ois while, W-H-I-L-E, sol ser pas continu, d'acord? I bé, no, i de vegades els dos van junts i aquest és una... Bueno, aquí tenim un exemple, van junts. I was eating és past continuous, arrived és past simple. Past continu sol ser l'acció més llarga. I was eating pizza, doncs vaig estar 10 minuts menjant una pizza. When you arrived, tu vas arribar en un minut, d'acord? Tu vas obrir la porta, d'acord? Was eating when you arrived. Bé. Vàrem fer tot això, d'acord? Aquesta ja l'havíem feta. Quiet please, I am writing. D'acord? Present continuous. Last Tuesday we went to the gym. Went és go en passat. És irregular. Go, went, d'acord? We went to the gym. We go to the gym every Tuesday. Aquí és past simple, present simple, perquè són una rutina. Cada dimarts anàvem al gimnàs. But today we aren't going to the gym. Today, recordeu que today anava amb present continuous. Right now, present continuous, we are playing. D'acord? Here. Yesterday, Mati passed. P-A-S-S-E-D, perquè és yesterday. D'acord? Ahir, past simple. message to Leah when the manager wasn't looking. The manager wasn't looking, no estaba mirando. Past continuous. Fortunately, the manager didn't see him. Didn't see him, past simple. Megan usually walks perquè tenim usually, rutina, to school. But today, present continuous, she's going by bike. She doesn't want to be late. In general, doesn't want. Present simple. Every Sunday rutina, we visit my grandparents, present simple. Usually, we don't stay over to sleep. Again, rutina, usually. But today, we are staying. Today, present continuous, we are staying. While, aquí teniu while. While significa mientras tant. So, while we were walking, past continuous, around town, they bought breakfast for everybody. It was really nice. They bought breakfast for everybody. It was really nice. Bought, past simple. Teniu una altra pega. Aquesta és més llarga, caminar per la ciutat, i buy breakfast és més curta. Is she feeling better right now? Perquè per tenir right now. She looked passat, terrible, a few hours ago, fa unes hores. Hours ago, so anant past simple. Mark often goes to the cinema, often present simple. However, he doesn't like the cinema. He likes the popcorn. Tot això, present simple. Steve was sleeping when suddenly the alarm clock went off. Un altre pic. Aquesta és més llarga. Sleep, was sleeping, past continuous, went off, past simple. We are playing Settlers of Catan at the moment, ara mateix. Present continuous. Right now, un altre pic ara mateix, Matty is winning. Last week passat simple. He also won. Lennox never wins. Aquí, present simple, perquè tenim es never. Why do you take a shower every morning? Present simple, perquè és una rutina. Because I don't like to shower in the evening. Not a big. I don't like, present simple. Yesterday, I woke up. Passat simple. I took a shower. Passat simple. I drove my car. Tots aquests són irregulars. Wake, woke, take, took, drive, drove. I drove my car to school, and when I arrived, regular, past simple, arrived, I remembered, past simple, that I didn't have class. Past simple, it was Saturday. Megan fell asleep when she watched TV last night. Past simple, fall, fell. Because here we have the when, yeah. Leah got very angry when Steve calmed her down. Yeah, aquesta pot ser got very angry when Steve calmed her down, passat simple, or was getting very angry when Steve calmed her down. Pot ser que s'estava posant nerviosa i després Steve la va calmar, o que s'estava posant nerviosa quan Steve la va calmar. It is raining right now, present continuous. Did you remember to close the windows? Did you remember? Past simple. Per què? Perquè diu last night. Here. Aquí. Correct the sentences. She's brushing her teeth every day. No podem fer una rutina com every day amb el present continuous. Per tant, she brushes. D'acord? Present simple. They goes to the cinema every day. Goes seria per tercera persona. He, she, it. Per tant, they go to the cinema. You went to Paris right now. No pot ser right now i passat. Per tant, you are going to Paris. Present continuous, you are going to Paris. Aquí, while we cleaned, you went for a walk. Després des while, d'acord, vas past continuous. Per tant, while we were cleaning, you went for a walk. While we were cleaning. While we were cleaning. Steve was driving his car when suddenly his car was stopping. No, when suddenly, després de when, past simple, when suddenly his car stopped. Look out, you are falling, present continuous, perquè tenim una exclamació. I després vàrem fer, aquest, be, was, were, been, se, està, això són verbs irregulars. Do, did, done, fer. Drive, drove, driven, conduir. Get, got, obtenir, agafar. Yeah? Go, went, gone, anar. Have, had, tenir. Live, left, anar-se'n, ir-se. Yeah? Make, made, fer. Pay, paid, pagar. Read, read, llegir. Escriu igual però es pronuncia diferent. Run, córrer. take, took, taken, agafar, també fer una foto, take a photo, yeah, agafar. Wake up, woke up, woken up, despertar-se, write, wrote, written, escriure. Aquí en teniu molts més, d'acord? Molts més. I la darrera que vàrem fer va ser aquesta, que era com a de deures. És només pas simple, teniu els verbs regulars i els irregulars. Podeu consultar aquesta llista i aquesta, d'acord? Repeteix, no sabreu si són regulars o no. Vos dic que aquí d'irregulars en aquest teniu el be, d'acord? Els altres són regulars. No, live i be. En aquesta be, meet, have, take. I en aquest have, be, think, do, go, buy. D'accord. Try to do them for today. Yep. See you today. Bye.